Hello friends, it's Kathy Clement with Kathy by Design for the Button Farm Club, and I am excited to be sharing the reveal for my latest kit. This is a wonderful home decor item, and we're working with Memory Place's Peter's Garden because Easter is right around the corner. In your kit, you're going to receive this 6x6 collection paper pack, which has 24 double-sided papers. I just love this green calico. So you're going to get 4 each of the 6 patterns that come with the collection. And this is just a beautiful collection with classic Beatrix Potter style Peter Rabbit images and beautiful spring sceneries. There's strawberries. There's everything in this says springtime. You can put this out for Easter, but you can leave it up all spring long. And it would be so darling in your kitchen tea area because of there's a lot of tea elements in this little collection. Look at this beautiful turquoise gingham. It's actually more of an aqua. A little cut apart page with this beautiful floral and wood pattern on the back. And then here's another gorgeous strawberry image page with patchwork on the back, which is so pretty. So that's that. So that's 24 sheets of 6x6. You're also going to get some 12x12 because we're going to be making little lap books in a special container. These are not photo albums, although you can probably fit little tiny photos in them. These are just pretty little books to hold in your lap and look at. So you're going to get this sheet of the 12x12. You're going to get this cut apart image sheet of the 12x12. And you're going to get this beautiful sheet of the 12x12 with this gingham on the back and this wonderful cut apart sheet with this on the back. You're going to get a sheet of nice weight 12x12 chipboard that we're going to use to build our books, and a great big stack of White Dove cardstock, which is my favorite. You're going to get the ephemera pack and some darling little journal cards. This is 28 different pieces, and these are from the collection. They're just precious. You're going to get, wait till you see these little carrot buttons and these itty bitty carrot charms. You get 3 of those in each kit. Are these not hysterical? And then you're going to get garden spades and watering cans. You get 3 each of those. Precious, precious, so cute. I love them. Then you're going to get 3 yards of burlap string in green and orange and natural. And here's the really cool part. You're going to get this clear scraps wooden box. This looks like Peter's garden shed with the picket fence. And we're going to build this together. Laura does have as an add-on white paint and a foam brush that you can add to your kit if you want, but we figured a lot of you would probably already have white paint in your stash, so you don't need that. And then you're also going to get the basic written guide and access to all the video tutorials. You can watch them in your pajamas. You can, go back as many times as you need to. So this is a beautiful kit. I can't wait to show you what it looks like. So hang around and I'll be back with the big reveal. So what are we making? How about this totally adorable wooden garden shed, all dressed up with paper pretties from our kit? We're actually making these little tiny books. Look how sweet they are. They're about the size of the palm of my hand. Dressing them up with sweet little garden charms and tags. And then each book is different on the inside. This book is a pullout. So you have a really great pullout page. You can add little pictures in here. You can put pictures of your garden. You can put, you can just enjoy it as a lookbook. In the pocket, we have a lovely little journal card. And how about this, guys? The ittiest bittiest book. So cute. Peter Rabbit. Darling. And in this pocket, we have this journal tag and this itty bittiest book with more Peter Rabbit figures. So cute. This is the cutest doggone collection. So lots of room to add whatever you want to add in this one. This book has a tea party, garden party theme. So here's Benjamin Bunny all dressed up. And inside we have these little flip-flap pages. So you have another teeny tiny book, a couple of tags, and they fit in this pocket, and then this flaps up, and this flaps out, and this flaps out, and this flaps up. Isn't that fun? I love flip-flap books. They're one of my favorite things to make. So there's the one on the left, and here's the one on the right. We've got Mr. Pig and these sweet little tags. See, it's tea time, and this flips up. Gorgeous garden shed. All the things you need for a beautiful tea. So that is this little book. This goes in this pocket, and this goes in this pocket, and our little pig goes in there too. So that's the second book. These are super quick and easy to make. And then our third book is just a really whimsical little fun book. Here's Peter stealing from Mr. McGregor's garden. I love the carrot buttons. How about you? And the way these little carrot charms dress up the covers. This is an actual book with a tabbed spine, and you're going to learn how to make this. It's so easy. Little journal tags inside these pockets. And then this is just a really pretty full page spread of Mrs. Rabbit with Flopsy, Mopsy, and Cottontail. A little hidden pocket with a miniature. So you can put a little something there. And then this is a flip up page. And there's Peter. And this has our little bunnies that we take out of the pocket and just a little journaling spot. And then this page is the same, another little pocket with little Jemima Puddle Duck and a little journaling spot. Here's another pocket with more bunnies and more journal cards. And I think you're going to be thrilled if you've never done a mini album before. It's so easy, and once you learn this skill, you'll have it forever. Another full page spread with a miniature of it on the inside. Another flip-up page with journaling spot and a pretty scene down here. More little bunnies in a pocket. And then the last page is this sweet pocket with Mrs. Rabbit's pantry pieces tucked inside. So super, super cute. And these are not hard to make, and they don't take very long. I will tell you, even designing the kit and writing everything down and taping, this took me a day and a half. This took me a day and a half to make. And it takes a long time to tape and write things down. I forget where he goes, but we'll put him back in there. So that is our kit for Button Farm Club. This is great for Easter, great for springtime, great as a gift, a little table decor. And you can order it from the Button Farm Club. Everything is in stock and ready to ship out. So that's it for me, Kathy Clement with Kathy by Design. I'll put a link to Button Farm Club in the description box below this video so you can order your kit today and have a happy Easter. Bye.